Hi everyone, so this week's song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now I thought I'd bring this one in. It's a really well known song, so many of you will already know the words, but I thought I might add in how it can be used as well with your babies, particularly from birth right the way through to as they get older. Now, some of the reasons why songs can be really effective, not only does it help with their language development, looking at your voice, we're talking about intonation, we talk about punctuation, it's looking at kind of all of the grammar and all of these skills that they have in terms of language can really be really effective. And there's a lot of stuff about memory as well. I'm going to be writing a blog post all about how music can support your baby's development over the next week, so check that out on my website if you get the chance to. But for me in particular, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is one of the lovely songs because it's really gentle. It's got a really soothing melodic tone to it, so it's not a really exciting song. So it's not a wake me up, let's play song. It's something that you can really kind of use to calm down with your baby. And you know, it's things like, I try to think about it in terms of how we apply ourselves as adults. You know, when we need to take time out, when we need to wind down, we often go and sit and listen to some music that will help us to do that. And this is a way that you can use these songs with your babies. So in terms of cues, you can use songs like this, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Say if you know your babies need a nap or a bit of downtime as they get older, you can use it as a signal, as a cue. Now, one way that I particularly use it is we use Twinkle Twinkle Little Star as a cue to finish massage. And it's this idea, babies love repetition, children love repetition and structure. And it's not that, I don't mean by that you know, you have to follow the same pattern every single day, but there are small things that we can do to introduce to help make their day feel a little bit more predictable. And all of these patterns that we can kind of introduce and support them with can really help with that development. Things like schemas and things as they get older. So you could use this, like I say, as a bit of an intro to downtime. You could use it as a finish to anything that you're using to wind down to. You could use it as a precursor for your bedtime routine. You could use it just as they're coming out the bath, so they've got that kind of idea that, you know, we do this and then we get out. All of these things, like I say, you can use it as that precursor for that kind of predictability. So I'll be singing this now with Otis here. So making sure we've got lots of eye contact, lots of cuddles as well. Really good way to do it. You could do it with skin to skin as well to get all of those benefits in terms of temperature regulation, heart rate regulation, and having that experience to bond with your baby as well. But here it goes. So, twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now, for those of you that want to add in actions and things like that, you can use it as a bit of yoga for yourself. So we use it in yoga with stretching out our fingers, showing our babies our hands as well. They really often like that when we're doing it. It also helps them as well with that space and time as well. So you could go up above the world so high, and we could even show them that diamond shape as well while we're doing that. So I'll show you with the actions now as well. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And like I say, that's a really good way that your baby you can add to that extra dynamic to it if you want to. And like I say as well, using it as at your leisure as you see fit. So hoping that you're having a lovely weekend yet again in lockdown. Hopefully some of you have managed to get some slightly distance walks with other people. I am thinking that depending on how things go over the next few weeks and couple of months, you know, we might be able to get out and arrange like a distance sort of picnic between all of us. So hopefully see you all soon. Right, take care, bye.